Absolute breaking news. Wow. Bailout? Well, that's not what they're calling it. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. As of today, effective immediately, we just received this couple hours ago, and we were all enjoying today, Sunday, and forget it. Tomorrow is going to be open craziness because the Fed just helped depositors bail out, not the bank. That's not what they want to do because Janet Yellen, Treasury Secretary, said we're not going to bail out SVB, right? Silicon Valley Bank. Just right now, Janet Yellen, the president, Jerome Powell, and a lot more people, they all came out putting a statement, and I'm going to read it for you in just a moment. But it's insane. $25 billion bailout. They're not calling it like that. They're saying this is not going to cost to all the taxpayers, right? But we have some contrarians like Peter Schiff saying they're going to increase inflation. They're going to print more money. There's no other way. So there's a lot, everybody, going on right here. I like to make it easier for you to understand. Let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to smash the like button. Everybody consider subscribing. A lot of things going on. I mean, breaking news, guys. Washington, D.C. today. Check this out. Released by the Secretary of Treasury, Janet Yellen, Jerome Powell, and the FDIC chairman, and of course, with approval of the president, happening as we speak. Today, we're taking decisive actions to protect the U.S. economy because they want us to what? Restore public trust in the banking system. Bitcoin is better, of course, but it is what it is. The banks are collapsing in a way, they're shaking, and they don't want this to go any further. That's why the Fed is doing this, guys. The Fed does not want us to wake up and say, hey, let's get it out. Let's just do a bank run, right? They don't want that. That's why they're stepping up. This step will ensure the U.S. banking system continues to perform its vital roles, yada, yada. After receiving a recommendation from all of them, this is what's going on, right? Fully protects all depositors and will have access to all of their money on Monday tomorrow. Meaning, Monday, the 13th, today is the 12th. All of those billions of dollars, all that payroll, all the money, right, that people were needing because Silicon Valley Bank was basically gone. Now they're going to be able to say, let's pay everybody. No losses associated with the resolution. Silicon Valley Bank will be borne by the taxpayer. That's what it was just, shared a couple hours ago. Peter Schiff, on the contrary, says, looks like my hunch was right. This tweet was from Thursday, the day before SVB failed. Resuming on Monday, Powell folded and the Fed has pivoted. Americans will pay this bailout with much higher inflation by gold. So is this really what's going on? Because the Fed is saying this is not a bailout. In any moment you see the bailout, but it is what a lot of people think it is, right? Banks have the ability to make their need, pay the depositors, all the people, guys. Super insane. Of course, right now, it's a lot going on. And on top of that, guys, Signature Bank closed as well by regulators, I believe, in New York. So there's all banking trusting issues, right? Really affecting these banks are closing, guys. Regulators closing your Signature Bank, citing systematic risk. That this is another stock that Monday might be halted, might be closed. I don't know. I mean, it's just what it is, right? Coin Bureau puts it like this yesterday. The SVB bailout, it's confusing people, and totally agreed, right? We have to help the depositors, not the bank executives. They were cashing out the shares weeks ago, weeks before the collapse. Are you kidding me? Bank executives should not be bailed out. They didn't manage the rate risk correctly, but the depositors should be bailed out, and that's the bailout that I'm trying to emphasize for the depositors, not for the bank executives, which, if you don't know, some of them were working with Lehman Brothers. Some companies that collapsed back in the day, and they didn't have the best pedigree to run these companies, guys. And as of right now, this conversation on Twitter has been going on for hours and days, right? Since they've been putting it up and up and again. And there's some great people coming in and talking and just pretty insane. The best type of people, sharing what's going on right now. And to make matters a little bit better, the prices are rising for Bitcoin as I speak. Look at this, $22,000 Bitcoin, Shiba Inu going up, bond going up, USDC now is repegged back to $1, and Cronos as well. Everybody, this is what's going on. Breaking news. Depositors will be made whole according to the latest updates from the Federal Reserve. They did it. They have the money. Either they're going to print more or that's money already printed and in circulation. Who knows? But hey, some people are saying if they are doing this, it means that inflation is already and could be more controlled, since they wouldn't be doing this if inflation was that bad. See what I did there? So we'll see what happens, guys. There you have it. You've been updated. Insane. But at least I'm happy. People will be fine with their money once again. Peace.